Hey, beauties, morning to you. So, I was watching the news last evening and I was listening to Major General Antony Anderson speaking in terms of, you know, murders being down, the different crime and violence that, they were down, and he had put them in different categories. He says murders were down by 13% or 94 less, shootings 12% or 71 less, rape 24% or 63 less, and robberies 23% or 111 less. However, in I suppose a recent research done by Mr. McGregor, it noted that there was a recent surge in gang violence in the corporate area and in Western Jamaica. So I am a little bit confused by the reduction, that was said to have taken place in the first half of the year, because we have now begun the second half of the year. The first half would have been from January to June, and then the second half started in July, which we're in, and it goes until December 31 of 2023. What I want to know, though, Commissioner, and those who would have given the figures, the murders, the shootings, the rape, and the robberies, are those on the based on your research, on the ones that were accounted for, meaning the ones that were noted and reported, or is it inclusive of the ones that were not reported? Because many times you have a lot of these, all of this category that you've mentioned that have happened, and they have not been reported to the media houses have no knowledge of them. Or maybe, it is said to keep on the hush hush so that the country doesn't seem like a real, war zone, so to speak, like we're in the Middle Eastern fighting some sort of a war. Because I'm wondering where these figures are from, if there is a recent surge of gang violence, which actually leads up to all of the categories, the four categories that were mentioned. So is it indicative of murder, shootings, rape, and robberies that were not reported and that you guys were not made aware of? And what section were these figures? Was it in the corporate area? Was it in the Western area, or areas that not necessarily known to be violent? Because, and maybe one or two, so it goes down a little bit and then we use a figure. It's just a little bit concerning. I'm just asking some questions. All right, guys, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this.